Hello students, in the writing section of class 9th, today I am going to explain you article writing. Children, article writing is a very easy task. I'll show you the format and you will understand that how easy it is to write an article. First of all, we start writing article with a title or heading. It is a very important part of writing article because only after reading the title or heading the reader would come to know that what the article is about. This is followed by byline, which comes in the next line just below the heading or title. Byline contains the name of the writer of the article. So suppose the name of the article is Neeraj, so you will write down the title and below it by Neeraj. These two things will give you 1 mark in the exam. Now, I would tell you that article writing contains 10 marks. So out of 10, you would get 1 mark. After that comes the content part. So you can see it's very easy, just you have to give a title. In the next line, byline. And from below the byline, you will start writing the content, that is the body part of the article. Now let's see what are the things in the content that will give you marks. Content altogether will give you 4 marks. It is the expression of your thoughts and ideas about the topic which is given to you in the exam. Suppose a topic is given to you, that topic will give you a title or heading, and the whole body part will be the expression of the thoughts related to the topic. Now, in this comes 2 more points. Accuracy, that is the logical and sensible expression of your thoughts and ideas. It will give you 2.5 marks. Another 2.5 marks will be given to you when there is a fluency in your writing. That is, it should be grammatically correct. So when the grammatical errors are not there, you will get 2.5 marks more. So altogether it contains 10 marks. Now let's see how to write the body part. The body part of the content comprises of 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph, it's better to write in paragraphs. It's not that you should write the whole content in 1 or 2 paragraphs. It won't look attractive. So you have to collect your ideas and you have to divide it into 3 or 4 paragraphs. For example, we'll take a 150 to 200 words article in 3 paragraphs. So the first paragraph will be of introduction. In introduction, you will write down the definition of the topic, that is what the topic is about and what is your purpose of writing. Then comes the second and the most important paragraph of article. In this, you will tell what the problem is, because every question has a problem. So you will tell the problem, you will present the facts related to it, and to make it more clear, you will give examples and put your arguments. You will do the comparison, you will bring the contrast. So all these things will be presented in the second paragraph, which is the most important paragraph of the article. Now comes the third paragraph, which is the conclusion. In conclusion, you have to write down that now what happens when a problem is there. So you have to write down the solution to the problem. For writing the solution, you can put your own thoughts, your own ideas in the form of suggestion. So in this way, you can write down a whole 150 to 200 words article in 3 paragraphs. Now, what you have to do to write the body part is to collect your thoughts. First of all, when you see the question in the exam, just give it a few seconds thought. In that, you have to think about that what you have to write. That is the collection of your thoughts. After that, you have to organize your thoughts in a proper order, in a sequential order, that what thing you have to write first and it should be followed by what. So it should be properly organized, and then after doing these 2 tasks, you have to start to write the article. Now children, to make this body part more clear to you, we'll see an example of article writing. Let's take a question that will come to you in exam. Such a kind of question we'll take as an example. Suppose we have been given a topic in a question that write an article on ban plastic bags. So first of all we'll tell the problem of plastic bags, that what is the problem related to plastic bags. So in the first paragraph we'll give the introduction. Plastic bags are one of the most dangerous substances to our environment. Now this is the definition about plastic bags, that what plastic bags are. Then we'll write that what is the problem created by them. They harm our environment by spoiling forests, soil, rivers and lakes all over the world. So as I told you that in first paragraph we'll give the definition of the topic and the problem related to it. Now in second paragraph we'll write down the whole main part of the body, that is these bags are made of a substance that is polyethylene. It is a type of petroleum. When it is burned, it releases toxic fumes into the soil and air. And now we are describing the problem, that what happens when this problem is there. What is the effect of the problem on our environment. So in first paragraph, definition, problem. In second paragraph, we'll start describing the problem and we'll continue it. I'll show you more. They get into the soil and release toxic chemicals. Often animals eat them and die. They block the flow of water in sewers, due to which sometimes they collapse, causing great damage to roads. Researchers estimate. Now from here I am giving the data. Researchers estimate that around 500 billion bags are used around the globe each year. So I have taken examples also. I have given some data also. And now we will come to the conclusion part. We need to carefully examine the challenges the plastic bags present. We should decrease the use of plastic bags. In fact, the government should ban them. Only by stopping the use of plastic bags, we can save our nature and natural habitat of animals as well as humans. So in this way, we can give a short conclusion and write a very easy article.